All right, guys, we are done. We'll do Spivey in the morning. So we're done out here today. We're gonna move on to the other two that we're building and wrap those up as well. Might have those done today, but if not, we always got tomorrow morning. So, looking good. Let's see. Chris built this gate. Oh, it works. Cool. All right, so doing a little bit of picking up around here, and we're gonna be out of here, guys. Not ready for this weather though. There was no acclimation. It was cold to hot real quick. Yep, so we are done. Just got to put some badging up and finish cleaning up, and we're out of here, guys. If y'all need a fence, you know who to call. We got a couple big driveways coming up. Within the next week or so, I'll be able to show you guys. So if y'all want a driveway, you know who to call as well, us. Anyways, guys, y'all have a great day.